It's your girl Suzie, back again with another video. Welcome to my new subscribers. Hopefully, if you rocking with me, go ahead and hit that bell, you know what I mean? Did that rhyme a little bit? And to everyone else that is subscribed to my channel, welcome back. It's your girl Suzie, all day, everywhere. Anyways, I know you're looking at my hair like, girl, why would you come on here like this? I wanted to show you how I, go from this to whatever you saw on when you click this video, right? Right. So just watch this wonderful, wonderful fast-forwarded video of me doing my hair. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I love you guys, and let's go. Oh wait, I almost forgot. I just recently took out my hair, hence why I look like this. I'm gonna just show a quick video of what I did to my hair, so go ahead and enjoy that. And I also do these kind of videos on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram it's in the description down below. And let's go.
I remember as a kid back in the days, I got picked on, kicked at, shit on, spit at, get gone, get back, get away. Having a dog imitation was hard then to make friends. Felt like God didn't take his time with me. He must have made me late night, tired and sleepy. This life wasn't easy, they dogged me. Said I was so dark, they bet I could sweat coffee. Made me feel like a loser, really lame. Because of my complexion, nobody would include me in game. Not even cash, never it, nobody would touch me. No girlfriend, the shortest thought I was ugly. Through all the jokes and laughs, hopes and stabs, blows and dabs, hopeless sad, hoping man, sort of sad. Nobody told me that. The sweeter the juice, I say the darker the flesh, and the deeper the root. All of those things. The sweeter the juice, I say the darker the flesh, and the deeper the root.
It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? Cause I'm tryna slow it down. Beat it up, go down, beat it up. Take it down, 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 down. Beat it up. Let me switch out the tempo. Let me switch out the tempo. Let me switch out the tempo. Can I switch out the tempo? Can I switch out the tempo? Switch out the tempo. Just that back.
Y'all, these braids are tight. Like when I was doing them, it didn't feel tight, but they are now. But I love it. I hope you guys love it. This is honestly my go-to hairstyle. It's a lot easier for me. So when it's time for it to come out, like I could just unravel it and you know, it's all, I can wear it like that. I might do a little video of how it would look when I unravel it, but for the most part, I'm gonna just wear it like this. Woo! This thing took all day, but I hope you like this video. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for post notifications for whenever I upload a video. You'll be notified right away. And Suzie is out of here. All right, you guys. Peace.